How to build a worm composter. On-screen text reads, what you need: 3 stacking boxes, worms, 4 bricks, drill, heat-free compost, newspaper. Step 1. Build. Drill lots of holes in the bottom and around the top of 2 boxes. Place the other box in a shaded area and put 2 bricks in the bottom. Repeat with the second box. Then stack the final box with no bricks in. Step 2. Fill. Line the top box with newspaper and add 3 centimetres of damp compost. Add worms and a little more compost. Cover with newspaper and leave for 1 week so the worms can settle in. Step 3. Compost. Add in food waste, such as vegetable peelings, tea leaves, coffee grounds and eggshells. Avoid too much citrus, garlic or onions, and never add meat or dairy. When the top box is full, switch it with the middle box and carry on filling. The worms will slowly migrate into the new box, leaving behind compost to use on the garden. Regularly empty out any liquid from the bottom box. Dilute with 10 parts water to use as fertilizer. Over credits, a tomato plant is watered with the fertilizer liquid.